Hello, this is Christine Gardner, the Sunshine Stamper. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to unbox and review this Spellbinders Club Kit. This is the ultimate, they changed the name recently. I believe they call it Crate now. I think it's the Ultimate Crate. It used to be the whole kit and caboodle. I think they call it the Ultimate Crate now. And I'll be honest, I've been on vacation, so this has been in my craft room for a couple weeks waiting for me. So I'm not 100% sure if this counts as the May kit or if this counts as the June kit. I know I was just billed for another kit, recording this on June 8th, so I am not 100% sure if this is the June release or the May release. Not sure how they market those. But we're going to open it up, we're going to look at it together, and we're going to see if I love it or hate it, because I honestly don't recall exactly what it was. Alright, here we go. Now, I had already taken the label off the box. I think their boxes are really cute. I like the design on the box, so I try to keep the boxes and reuse the boxes. I do that a lot in general, though. I like to really reuse boxes and give them another life. Grab this up. Let's see. We got papers. I don't see a packing slip anywhere. So we're just going to slide this stuff out. We're going to put it on the desk. We're going to the box cutter. Let's just put all this out on the desk and let's take a look at what we've got here. I'll have to add the cost of this kit to the video. I do not remember offhand how much their kit costs these days. I want to say it's probably around $140 for everything, and this is the kit that does include absolutely everything. So first thing on top here is some glimmer foil. That's a pretty color. It's almost like a matte silvery color. That's pretty. I do have a glimmer. I've had a glimmer for a year and a half. I have not used it yet. Maybe this will be the month I use it. Maybe not. But when I do go to use it, I've been stockpiling the hot foil from the kits. So that's all good. It came with this 3D embossing folder that looks like fireworks. Very cute. That will be fun to use. So that's the 3D embossing folder. This is, I guess this is Stencil of the month. Okay, so it does say May 2026. So we're doing the May 2026 kit here. So Dots of Summer, Stencil of the month. Cute. That's going to make some fun backgrounds. I'm actually going to use this. I'm going to use some texture paste on it. So I'm going to do like the first couple layers in ink, and then my final layer I'm going to use texture paste on, and that will come out really fun. Next up, we have the stitching die of the month, and I love this design. I'm not the biggest fan of stitching. I often use the stitching dies without actually putting the thread through. I just really like that. I like that design, and I like how we have a perfect card-shaped die in this one too. So that big rectangle die. So we have a die for the front of your card, and then we have this, and then you could add in the sun. I'm not too crazy about the sun. I would probably do this without the sun and just put my focal point of the card over it and use this so it's like pointing towards my focal point. Cute though, very cute. Like it. Next up, this is called Ready to Roll. I am a cat person. You'll see why I bought this. It makes this cute little suitcase with your furry little friends inside, and every time I go somewhere my cat tries to get in there, so definitely identify with this. I like how it's a little passport. It's got some little handles. I almost thought that was a music note, but it's a handle. Here's the net for the inside of your suitcase, your cat, your dog. They've got little sunglasses. Oh my god, could that get any cuter? That's going to be a lot of fun. Oh, and look, those are the shape here, that's clothing. You put clothing in your suitcase, and that's the wheels. That's not the handle, that's the wheels. Oh my god, that's too cute. It's got wheels. Adorable. That's going to be a lot of fun to use. Next up, the press and foil. So just a quick word about this. Previously, last year, it used to be in your whole kit and caboodle, you would get both a press plate and you would get a foil plate. They've changed it so you get a plate that you can use either as a press plate or a foil plate, which I absolutely love. Although I have not used my glimmer yet, I use my Better Press a ton. So this is a huge bonus for me. I really like this change where I could use it with either product. and it will definitely be going through my better press. And then I like how they included some sentiments and the dies for the sentiments. I love it when I have the dies for the sentiments. That is the press and foil. Okay, so next up, this is the clear stamp and die of the month. It's called Burst of Summer. And it is cute, cute summer, patriotic summer stuff. It makes me think Memorial Day, which unfortunately we already missed. 4th of July, just very early summer, fun stuff. Let's party like it's 1776. Sending a burst of happy. May your summer be perfectly chill. Let's see where this goes. I like that one. That's fun. This felt like a U card. I could see using this outside of summer too. Some of these I think I'm going to use outside of summer. This calls for a celebration. Couldn't resist sending this. Happy 4th of July. I don't have very many 4th of July things, so it's kind of nice to add that to my stamp collection. This calls for a celebration. I think I read that one, sorry. Thought you could use a smile. Grateful for your service. Another good sentiment to add to your collection. That's a very, very good one. Hope your summer starts off right. Happy to be thinking of you. And then boom, you got your dies. 14 stamps, 14 dies. That makes me a happy person. I love having the coordinating dies because I like to stamp my sentiments as a batch, die cut them as a batch, and then add them ready to go when I am ready to create. So that's very fun. And I do like these sentiments. These are going to be fun to use, not just for summer. Okay, next up, this is cutting dies. I don't know. I'm sorry, I apologize. I don't know which die kit this is. I think this is just like the regular die kit because that one says large, so we're going to guess. But again, cute patriotic hat. It's got the flag, it's got the fireworks, it's got the flowers. I have some scrapbook pages I would use this on too. I really do. I really like that you can build your flag. Very cool. Nice big size to these dies. Even though this isn't the large die of the month. Nice sized dies. Okay, so next up we do have the large die of the month. This is called Pop of Summer. There's 28 dies on here. And look, it makes a little soda can. Isn't that adorable or what? So you make the soda can, you make your little drink stuff to put in it, and it's got the bird. So you could put a bird on top of your straw if that's what you desire. So very cute set. Really like that. Then we have, this is the 3D Embossing Folder of the month, Radiant Day. That's fun. Honestly, it's not quite my style all the time, but we'll make use of that. It'll be good. And that is from May 2026 again. And then we have, so that's the 3D Embossing Folder of the month. And this is the Embossing Folder of the month. And this says it's poolside. Ugh. And I love that texture. That's going to be fun. I'm going to use that a lot. So you get the 3D Embossing Folder and the regular embossing folder. And then we also had this embossing folder. And I'll have to add in the details for the video how this all fits together, which club goes to which. But again, this is the whole, I keep wanting to call it the whole kit and caboodle, but it's like the ultimate crate set. This might be the free gift you get for it. I don't know. Usually I think they put in a free gift if you get all the clubs. And then the final item is the Color Wheel cardstock. This is new. They just started adding the paper in this year when they changed the clubs around. So I like their cardstock. It cuts beautifully. I mean, it's really a joy to work with. Can never have enough Spellbinders cardstock. So this is everything you get when you order the whole crate, the ultimate crate kit. You get all these dies, you get the stamps, the sentiments, you get the press plate, you get the stitch die, you get the stencil set, and the glimmer plate. And I do believe this is about $140 a month. I will update the video description with the actual cost. But again, you get a fair bit of product for what you're paying. And I will be doing a video in the near future where I compare the club kits from different companies. We'll compare this to Alt New. We'll compare it to what you would get from like one of the Stampin' Up! Suites. And just compare what you get for your money. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you, I don't know, make a decision if you want to buy these kits or not. Please like the video, follow my channel, all those fun things, and thank you for watching.